Hi everyone, we're going to talk a little bit more about sourcing good quality photos to use in the online templates. If you're a University of Southern Maine user, then you definitely should check out the University of Southern Maine image gallery, which can be found on the Office of Marketing and Brand Management site. They have a very large selection of nice high quality photos that you can download and then upload into your print templates. So find anything you like there and download it. You're also welcome to source your own photos, but they do need to be high resolution. Let's talk about what that means. So there's a minimum pixel requirement for printing nice images. This is to prevent them from looking pixely and low res. So each of these image frames has a pixel width and height associated with it. If you go and resize it, then that's no longer relevant, but for these original starting sizes, that is the minimum pixel dimensions you're looking for. So if you want to change it from one of these placeholders, you're going to need to highlight the image frame and then click Edit. You come down here to Upload Images and select an image. It pops up, you can click it, and it will drop it into that frame. Now, here you see I've got a nasty red warning because I tried to upload a low resolution image. You'll see it's very blurry, it's very pixely, this image is not going to print well, and you've got this awful warning here. So we're going to need to fix that before we continue. So what you're going to want to do is go back to Edit, find a better photo, and upload that. You can tell right away this is a larger file, more high res, because it's taking longer to upload. And then you can drop that into your frame and you'll see that low res image warning is gone. This is a nice high quality photo and it will print beautifully. So that ugly red warning has gone away. Now, over on this side, you'll see this image goes a little bit past the edge of the piece here. Now that's something in the print industry we call a bleed. That is absolutely necessary if you have any photos that touch the edge. So if you want it to go look like this, then you really need to push it past that edge 1/8 of an inch on all sides, like that. And I'll show you one other trick that might be useful. So you get your nice, beautiful cover photo uploaded. Drop that in. Gorgeous. And now, okay, so now the department name is a little bit tough to see over that busy background. So we can do this neat little trick. Over here I have some transparent boxes I've provided. What you can do is drag that over and you're going to want to click this and bring this to the top. And then your black box will be behind it and you can resize that. And that'll just give you a little more contrast against a busy background if you need to put some type on top of a photo. So you can do that with black or white, depending on what the background of your photo looks like.